All right. What is the angular velocity of a centrifuge if it pulls 2,000 Gs with a radius of 6.7 centimeters? How many RPMs is this? Okay, 2,000 Gs is 2,000 times 9.81. That's literally what that means. So 2,000 times 9.81 is 19,620 meters per second squared. So that's the first thing, is that 2,000 Gs is that, right? Okay, so now the next thing is we're going to use this guy. Centripetal acceleration is omega squared r. So 19,620 is omega squared times, here's our radius, 0.067. So don't let the centimeters fool you. Okay, so let's figure out omega. I'm going to go that guy divided by 0.067. That's an even bigger number, and then I'm going to square root that. And I get that it's 541.143 radians per second, which is our first answer there, right? There's only 2 sig figs, so there it is, right? Okay, and then how many RPMs is that? Let's do it. 541.143, and that's radians per second. Get rid of radians, right? So 2 pi radians. 2 pi radians is 1 revolution, right? Here, I'll write radians after it the way we're supposed to. So 1 revolution is 2 pi radians. That'll get rid of radians. And now we'll have revolutions per second, but we don't want that. 60 seconds is a minute. And that'll get rid of seconds. And we'll get rev per minute, right? So 541.143 times 60 divided by, and then just be careful when you divide by 2 pi, you got to put those parentheses, right? So divided by parenthesis, 2 pi end parenthesis, 5167.5 RPMs, right? With 2 sig figs, you'd have to say about 5,200 RPMs. Ta-da.